Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and I've got a really quick update today. It's just quickly to say thank you to everybody that's commented on my self-supporting go bag, and you've been making some really good suggestions. One of them was about this. A lot of you pointed out that when I plugged this into this socket here, that the terminals were very close together. They almost, and I had these both these switches were on, going straight through to the battery, and the terminals nearly shorted out and would have shorted the battery. A lot of you pointed that out, so thanks for that. I did spot it when I rewatched the video back afterwards, and some of you suggested using the Anderson Powerpole connectors, and that's what I've done. I've added those onto there. Never used these before, and I have to say they're brilliant. Really like them. So easy to put on. And you can see there you can clip them together to make a little connector. And what I've done is I've also added same onto my trickle charger, so that can plug into there, and then that can just plug into there to charge the batteries. And if I ever need to just charge the 7Ah battery with the normal terminals, I've just created a little patch lead there, again using the Anderson connectors. So really pleased with them. It's made it a lot safer, thanks to you guys. So I just wanted to do this quick video just to thank you for making me aware of my little mistake. I haven't fused these sockets yet, so that's something else somebody suggested. So I'm going to be doing that as well. So there you go, quick video just to thank you all for pointing out the my slight error, which nearly could have cost me a battery. So thanks very much for that. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.